Welcome to English Grammar class. Chapter 6 Nouns, Common and Proper. In the previous chapter we have learnt only the nouns. So in this chapter we are going to learn about common and proper nouns. Common nouns are the names given to persons, animals, places or things which are of the same kind. Proper nouns are the names of particular persons, animals, places or things. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Now let's go to your textbook. Please see in your textbook where it is written, the examples are given. So here, A. Compare these two sentences. The girl entered the room. Number 2. Anu entered the room. In the first sentence, it may be any girl who entered the room. Mary, Ritu, Manjit or any other girl. The second sentence tells us about a particular girl whose name is Anu. Girl is a common noun. Anu is a proper noun because Anu is the name of a girl. Let us try to understand common nouns and proper nouns more clearly. Boy is a common noun, but John is a proper noun. City is a common noun, but Agra is a proper noun. Country is a common noun, but India is a proper noun. We note that a proper noun begins with a capital letter. Here you see. Proper noun is beginning with a capital letter here. John, Agra and India. These are the capital letters. So B. Here are some more examples of common and proper nouns. Men and women. Sachin Tendulkar, in Belton, Amir Khan. Countries, India, Japan, Sri Lanka. Towns and cities, Patna, Nagpur, Jaipur, Bhopal. Rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri, Gopti. Days and months, Monday, Tuesday, January, July. Newspapers, The Times of India, The Indian Express. Buildings, Taj Mahal, Red Fort. Books, A Tale of Two Cities, Alice in Wonderland. Goods, television, pencil. So next page, 13. C. Column A gives a list of 8 common nouns. Column B gives a list of 8 proper nouns. Match them by drawing lines. Please use the scale to draw the lines. You can see common nouns are written one side A and proper nouns are written in B columns. So you have to match it with your scale. D. Draw a single line under the common nouns and a double line under the proper nouns. Here you can see clearly which single line is drawn under common nouns and double line is drawn under proper noun. So number 1 you can see here name of a place. So it is drawn double line and mountain is common noun. It is drawn single line. So you can see and you can do in your textbook neatly. E. Circle the letters that should not be capital. So here you can see it is circled the capital which should not be capital. Should be capital. Here you see S, G, A, M, S, R, T, G, S, A, S, K. These are the you have to write. You have to circle it. This will be capital letter. So you look how it is circled. Then you have to circle in your textbook. So it will be sent to you in PDF form. So you can look and do your exercise. Thank you, students.